All right, we're back. The energy sector's ETF, the XLE, down roughly 3% in the past 3 months. Options traders, though, betting on that sector to take a nice jump. John and Pete at the Telestrader. Pete, you're up first. Tell us.
I'm going to start out with this one. Now, you can see this. Obviously, it was stuck in this little range for a little while down there, made this pop, and it's been kind of hovering around ever since, Scott. And actually, yesterday, they started to buy the November 77 calls very aggressively. 9,000 of those were bought. They followed that up with today, and now they're actually shrinking back. They're going back a month. They're going actually to October, and they're buying these 76 calls. Pretty aggressive. 10,000 of those traded as well. So the bet here is on the XLE going higher. 38% of the XLE, when you break it down, is Exxon and Chevron. I've got positions in both. I own stock in both. So I didn't add to my position today, but I highlight the fact that these are monster trades over the last 2 days, telling us, giving us a signal, maybe this thing's ready to start to push up towards that 75, 76, 77 level.
Yeah, interesting. Doc, what do you see?
All right. Well, this is one that our brother from another mother, Josh Brown, has been all over.
He's been lit.
Stitch Fix. This one, SFIX. Take a look at this one, Judge, because that run that you're looking at there, somebody bought a whole bunch of calls right here. They bought a whole bunch of calls right there. These are people who have been right, and we've had unusual activity since the stock was 25 bucks a share. As it runs to the upside here today, they took off 10,000. That's a million share equivalent. They took off 10,000 of the OC 47s, rolled them up to the OC 55s, double nickels for those traders out there. Double nickels, they're buying them in big numbers here. I think this thing's got more room to run, and I like following somebody who's been right multiple times. Quick update for you, Scott, if I could.
Yeah.
Take a look at Sony. This is one SNE that we highlighted unusual activity in when the calls were $1. As Sony moves from 54 now to almost $60 a share, these calls went from $1 to $4.60. Bang! So that's why we trade, Judge.